Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wish you all a very happy new year. So 2020 is finally over and we welcome 2021. Let's hope for the best. That's all we can do right now. Wanted to share a recent event with you all. In the month of November, my tutor, she ordered a cake. I wasn't ready at that time because I have never done this. Then she insisted me and I thought let me just try and I did it. I will share the photo at the end of this video and she loved it so much. Then I thought let me just try, and I discussed it with my parents and of course with my elder sister and with my Jiju. My Jiju suggested me the name Kekopedia. Then I started it and within 1 month I got 9 orders, which is unbelievable. And at the same time, from 289 subscribers we have reached to 414 subscribers within 4 months. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Continue watching my videos, continue supporting me. A lot of you asked me to share few baking tips, so I thought let me just share. So whenever you're baking it in the pressure cooker, make sure to remove the rubber and the whistle, otherwise it will create vapor which we do not want. Second, use a grid or a stand. Don't place the cake tin directly in the pressure cooker. Third, bake it in low flame. Fourth, whenever you are making ganache, don't forget this ratio 1:1. Put it in the double boiler, then heat it all together, the thick cream and the compound chocolate, and slightly cool it down and the ganache will be ready. Sharing a small video on how to apply the ganache. And to get a clean half cut of the sponge, you can use this hack.